Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to Max class 9th standard. In the last class, we have discussed division algorithm for polynomial. In this class, we are going to see about applications of synthetic division. Exercise 3.7, fifth question. Find the quotient and remainder for the following using synthetic division. Okay. Here find quotient and remainder using synthetic division method. Okay. The question is first subdivision x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 3 is divided by x minus 3. Okay. The solution, listen carefully, using synthetic division method. Okay. Using synthetic division. Okay. Before start, first find the zeros of divisor. Zero of the divisor is x minus 3 is the divisor. So zeros of divisor is this. So x minus 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. Okay. Then use the synthetic division method. Consider the question. Write only the coefficient of the variable. So here x cube coefficient is 1. So 1. X squared coefficient is plus 1. X coefficient is minus 7. The constant is minus 3. Have you understood? So write down the coefficient of the variable. And the symbol is represent the synthetic division. Okay, the L-shaped division. Okay. Then the zeros of divisor is 3. So 3. Listen carefully. The first value is 0. This first value is 0. The initial value of the divisor is 0. Okay. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. Have you understood? First initial value is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Then the second step, plus into plus plus. 3 ones are 3. Then sum of these two value, 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay. Then plus into plus plus. 3 4s are 12. Okay. Minus 7 plus 12 is 5. Plus 5. 12 minus 7 is plus 5. Okay. Plus into plus plus. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Then 15 minus 3 is 12. Okay. So making the box. This is the remainder. Okay. Then consider the question. The question has third degree polynomial. So you start write second degree. Reduce 1 degree. You write the quotient. Therefore, quotient equal to start write the second degree. This is x. This is 1. Okay. So multiplying x square. So 1 into x square. This is plus 4. So plus 4x. Reduce the degree. Then plus 5. Have you understood? This is 1x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, given question is third degree polynomial. So start write second degree polynomial. X square plus 4x reduced to 1 degree. Then reduced to 1 degree x power 0. X power 0 is 1. Okay, that's all. This is the quotient. Then remainder. So already gets the remainder. This is for 12. This is the synthetic division method. Have you understood? Okay. Okay, listen carefully. Next, fourth subdivision. The second and third is your homework. 8x power 4 minus 2x square plus 6x plus 5 divided by 4x plus 1. Okay. What's your first step? Find the zero of divisor. Okay. The solution. Zero of divisor is 4x plus 1. This is a divisor. So, I want to find the zero of divisor. So, equating the 0. So, 4x equal to, making the transposition, we get minus 1. Okay. So, x is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay. Next step is, write the coefficient of the variable. The x power 4, check the descending order of the polynomial. Power 4. Power 3 is not be given. So, power 3 is 0. Then power 2, power 1, then constant. Okay. Write the coefficient of the variable. X power 4 coefficient is 8. Use the synthetic division method. 8. Then x power 3 is not be given. So, 0. Then x power 2 coefficient is minus 2. So write with the sign. Okay, the x coefficient is plus 6. The constant is 5. Have you understood? Write only the coefficient of the variable. Okay, the missing term also want to write. The L-safe division is a synthetic division. Okay, then the x value is minus 1 by 4. Okay, the initial value is 0, already told. Okay, so x plus 8 plus 0 is 8. Okay, then multiplying this two value. Okay, making the rough column. Minus 1 by 4 into 8 is what? Minus 1 by 4 into 8. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Minus into plus, minus 1 2s are 2. So minus 2. Okay, sum of these two values minus 2. Minus into minus plus. Minus 1 by 4 into minus 2, which is equal to 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus, 1 1s are 1. 1 by 2 is the remainder. So multiplying these two value, we get finally 1 by 2. Okay, then sum of these two value. Sum of these two values minus 2 plus 1 by 2. This is the cross multiplication. 2 2s are 4, minus 4, then plus 1 divided by 2. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 by 2. Okay, minus 3 by 2. Then multiplying this two value. Minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 into minus 3 by 2, which is equal to minus into minus plus 1 3s are 3 divided by 4 2s are 8. Finally we get 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Then sum of these two value, 6 and 3 by 8. 6 plus 3 by 8 equal to 8 6 are 48 plus 3 divided by 8. 48 plus 3 is 51 by 8. 51 by 8. Okay, then multiplying these two value, minus 1 by 4 into 51 by 8. Okay, the rough column. Minus 1 by 4 into 51 by 8, which is equal to minus into plus, minus 1 into 51, 51 divided by 4 8s are 32. Okay, product of these two values minus 51 by 32. Then the remainder is 5 minus 51 by 32, which is equal to 5 times of 32. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. Minus 51 divided by 32. Okay. So 160 minus 50 is 110. 110 minus 1, 109. 109 by 32. 109 by 32. This is for remainder. Okay. Finally, therefore, the quotient is equal to the given polynomial is a 4th degree polynomial. So write the 3rd degree polynomial. So 8 x cube minus 2 x square minus 3 by 2 into x plus 51 divided by 8. Okay, that's all. Then the remainder equal to 109 divided by 32. That's all the answer of the 4th subdivision. Have you understood? Okay, next 6th question. If the quotient obtained on dividing 8x power 4 minus 2x square plus 6x minus 7 by 2x plus 1. Okay, when you divide this polynomial divided by 2x plus 1, we get the quotient is 4x cube plus px square minus qx plus 3. Then find pq and also the remainder. Okay, the solution is a given polynomial. Okay, first find the zeros of divisor. The divisor is 2x plus 1, so 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Find the value of x. 2x equal to, making the transposition, we get minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, now we get the 0 of divisor. Then using the synthetic division method, first write the coefficient of variable. This is plus 8 and x cube is not be given, so 0. X squared is minus 2, x is 6, the constant minus 7. Okay, then the divisor is minus 1 by 2. Okay, the initial value is 0, so 8 plus 0 is 8, then minus 1 by 2 into 8, minus 1 by 2 into 8 equal to 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, minus into plus, minus 1 4s are 4, so minus 4 we get, minus 4. So 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Then multiplying minus 1 by 2 into minus 4. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 4, which is equal to 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus, 1 2s are 2, plus 2. Okay. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Then 0 with the number is 0. Product of these two values is 0. Then 6 plus 0 is 6. Then multiplying minus 1 by 2 into 6. Minus 1 by 2 into 6. 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Minus into plus, minus 1 3s are 3. So minus 3. Okay. Then sum of the values minus 10. Minus 7, minus 3 is totally minus 10. This is the remainder. Okay. The quotient. Therefore, quotient equal to, reduce the degree value. The given polynomial gets degree of 4. So start write the third degree. So 8 x cube minus 4 x square plus 0 x plus 6. Okay. Then the remainder is minus 10. Equal to minus 10. Okay. Consider the question. So the given polynomial divided by 2x plus 1, we get the quotient is 4x cube plus px square minus qx plus 3. The quotient also given. Then find the value of pq and also the remainder. Remainder, now we get, this is for minus 10. Okay. But next we find to the value of pq. Okay. The given quotient is, the given quotient is equal to 4x cube plus px square minus qx plus 3. Okay. Now comparing both the quotient, this is the final quotient. This value divided by 2, we get 4x cube minus 2x square plus 0 by 2 is 0. So 0x plus 6 by 2 is 3. Okay. Now compare the given quotient and the resultant quotient. Okay, we get equating the coefficient of x square. Equating coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x squared is p. The resultant coefficient of x squared is minus 2. Then equating the coefficient of x value. Okay. Coefficient of x is here minus q. The resultant polynomial is 0. So 0. That is q is equal to 0. P is equal to minus 2. Okay, I understood. Now we get the required value of P and Q and the remainder. Okay, dear students, today's homework book page numbers 109, 110, 111 and 112. Example 3.35, 3.36 and 3.37. Exercise 3.7, question number 5, second and third subdivision and seventh question. Okay, use the synthetic division method. Solve the problems. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.